Today's OOTD include tops that are easy to access for pumping. This includes both nursing tops or button downs, but my favorite method is the two-shirt method. You'll need a looser fitting over top and a camisole or a tank top that has some stretch and give to the neckline. The reason this one's my favorite is it's so accessible. Everybody has tank tops and camisoles in their wardrobe, and this is something that anybody can have access to. And it also adds a lot of versatility and options to your wardrobe, so you don't feel like you're always reliant on a nursing top if you can't afford one or don't want to wear one. The looser fitting top is going to come up while the neckline of the undershirt comes down. It's going to create just a big enough window to place any type of pump that you're using while still giving yourself plenty of coverage and modesty wherever you need it. You can get a similar effect using the button-down shirt method. It won't give you as much coverage here unless you provide an undershirt as well, kind of simulating that same two-shirt method. You're still going to be able to access where you need to much easier than pulling up a top or stretching down your neckline. Nursing tops are going to still be a great option though, as they already have a shelf built in or a pocket to have easy access for pumping and nursing. Pair these options with a great 2-in-1 nursing and pumping bra and you are all set to go.